Hello and welcome to the presentation of the Redwood Public School District Collaborative Technology Plan. Today we'll be discussing the expected impacts on student learners, teachers, and stakeholders across the Redwood Public School District. We will begin by discussing the key points of our mission, vision, and values. We will then move into the key components of our intended SMART goals, the impacts from all three of these goals, including the 21st century learning skills being addressed, and the ISTE standards that will be met through these goals. Our mission at Redwood Public School District is simple: to integrate technology and shift instructional practices in ways that create abounding learning opportunities for all 21st century learners throughout our district. We believe that technology is an integral aspect of learning for all students, and we are committed to staying on the cutting edge of technology to better facilitate student learning. Our vision is to become active participants in the ever-changing global community. Our Redwood Public School District will give all stakeholders, including students, educators, and parents, access to information which allows for the effective integration of technology throughout the learning process. And we envision a community which promotes the transition of information into knowledge and the development of questioning learners. Our values include the assurance of online safety of all student learners, developing technological literacy on a global scale, and advancing learning through the relevant practical use of technology. SMART goal number 1 is to increase the accomplishment of student learning outcomes by providing devices to students. This includes providing device-specific training, increasing technological literacy through device usage, measuring technology use quantitatively, and measuring the impact of technology use in a qualitative manner. Providing devices to all students can increase efficiency in the classroom and with learning procedures. Device-specific training is important to ensure a seamless integration of technology into the classroom, beginning with the educator. A higher level of technological literacy implies that the ability is present no matter the digital environment and can be transferred from device to device. SMART goal number 2 is improving students' testing performance on standardized tests by the use and practice of one-to-one devices. Technology is known to help students retain information, and researchers believe this could be because of the creative methods for learning, or for allowing students to go at their own pace and learning through their own styles. Studies have indicated that increased technology use in the classroom has improved collaboration and allows students to be more engaged. Students appear to be more on track to reach learning outcome goals as well. Student achievement should increase as students will be motivated in reaching through various methods of communication and by allowing students a more personalized approach to the material being studied. SMART goal number 3 is to promote connectedness in the community between students, teachers, and experts using technology. This goal will be accomplished by utilizing one-to-one devices for students, social media outlets for schools and teachers, and connection to a web of expert educators via school networking. One-to-one devices being efficient depends on the teacher's ability to engage students using the devices. Social media outlets will connect teachers to other teachers, teachers to experts, and teachers to their students. Collaboration among educators enhances professional development and academic satisfaction. Students will ultimately have a greater understanding of the collaboration process and student-teacher relationship growth. The 21st century learning skills addressed by each SMART goal are as follows. Students will demonstrate additional attributes associated with producing high-quality products. They will elaborate, refine, analyze, and evaluate their own ideas in order to improve and maximize creative efforts. They will demonstrate originality and inventiveness in work and understand the real-world limits to adopting new ideas. Students will act on creative ideas to make a tangible and useful contribution to the field in which the innovation will occur, and they will use various types of reasoning, including inductive and deductive, as appropriate to the situation. Each of these 21st century learning skills directly correlates to ISTE standards, including the following. Students become empowered learners by setting goals and leveraging technology to achieve goals and improve learning outcomes. Students will have more experiences and opportunities for adaptive and personalized digital learning. Educators will understand and use data to drive instruction and support students in achieving their learning goals. And educational leaders will engage with others during the implementation phase of the strategic plan and communicate effectively with stakeholders to gather input, celebrate successes, and engage in a continuous improvement cycle. Thank you.